Good evening, guys. Are getting the screen and voice? Please confirm. I hope all are getting my screen and voice, guys. Fine, guys. So yesterday, we had first session about this DevOps, guys. In yesterday's session, just we had our discussion about the course content. What are the tools which we are going to learn in DevOps? We discussed in last session, guys. What are the tools we are going to discuss? I have written around 15 plus tools, guys. All those tools we are going to learn as part of this DevOps course. Okay, fine. See, guys, as a first tool, I'm going to start Maven, guys. Today I'm going to start Maven. What is this Maven, guys? Maven is a build tool. Maven is a build tool, guys. This Maven is developed by using Java programming language. Maven is developed by using Java programming language, guys. What is Java, guys? What is Java? Do you guys know about Java, or I want to give some basic introduction about Java? Right, this entire Maven is developed by using Java programming language only. You guys have idea what is jar file, what is var file, right? What is a .java file, what is .class files, what is JVM? So this basic idea you guys have. Fine, guys, no problem. See, guys, here Java is a programming language, guys. Java is a programming language. Java language developed by whom, guys? Sun Microsystem, guys. Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. It is implemented by, it is developed by Sun Microsystems, guys. Sun Microsystems. Now Oracle is acquired Sun Microsystems, guys. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystem now. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystems. Oracle company acquired Sun Microsystems, guys. Earlier, Java is under Sun Microsystems, guys. Now, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystems. So, Java is maintaining by Sun Microsystem only. Okay. See, guys, Java under license of Oracle company, guys. Earlier, it is Java is open source and freeware, guys. When Sun Microsystem maintaining this Java, at that time, Java is open source and freeware. But whenever it is came under Oracle company, they make it as a licensed version, guys. Now Java is under license of Oracle company. Java is under license of Oracle company. Java is under license of Oracle company. Right, guys. What is this Java, guys? Java is a high-level programming language. Java is a high-level programming language. What is high-level programming language, guys? What is high-level programming language? High-level means anybody can able to understand. Anybody can able to read, guys. Readable format, understandable format, we will call it as high level programming languages. System can't able to understand this high level programming language, guys. As a humans, we can able to read it, we can able to understand. So those kind of languages are high level programming languages, but computer can't able to understand high level programming language, guys. Java, Python, .NET, if you go to any programming language, all are high-level programming languages only. High-level programming languages only, guys. Okay, see here, Java program files. In Java, guys, program files, right? So with .java extension, guys. In Java, for all the files, we need to give .java as the extension. Right, Java program files will will have .java as extension. As extension, guys. Right? Java program files will have .java as extension, guys. Right? See example like this, guys. Example you can see like this. Example, right? Sample.java, right? Test.java, test.java. So like this, test.java, etc. See guys, see here, it sample is a file name, .java is the extension, test is a file name, .java is the extension. Java program files will have .java as the extension. Python program files will have .py as the extension. Same way for Java files, .java as the extension we need to give, guys. Okay, now see guys, we can't able to execute .java files directly. Why? Because computer can't able to understand the high level programming language. Right? Inside the .java only we are writing the source code, guys. Inside the .java files only we are writing the original code, source code. We are writing the source code in high level language. Computer can't able to understand that high level language. That's why we can't able to execute these .java files directly. Right? Java programs we can't execute. Right? We can't execute .java files directly. We can't execute .java files directly. Why, guys? At here high level programs, guys, we can't able to execute high level programs directly. We need to convert it as mission understandable format to execute. If you want execute the Java program, first you need to convert it as the mission understandable format. Currently it is the high level program, mission can't able to understand this. Then what we need to do? First we need to convert into mission understandable format, then only we can able to execute. Java programs should be converted into mission understandable format to execute. Then only we can execute, guys. Java program should be converted to mission understandable format to execute, guys. Right? So now Java programs contains source code, guys. .java files. .java files contains source code. Source code is nothing but what? Whatever the developers are writing, that is called as the source code, guys. That is the original code. .java files contain source code only. We need to compile the Java source code into bytecode using Java compiler, guys. What we need to do? First we need to convert this source code as the bytecode. Bytecode means what? Zeros and ones, guys. Zeros and ones. Inside this .java file, source code is available, original code is available. That original code system can't able to understand. First we need to convert that original code as the bytecode. How you can able to convert, guys? How you can able to convert source code as the bytecode? Right? Compilation. By using compilation, guys, we need to compile the Java program, then it will be converted into bytecode, guys. Guys, don't worry, I'm not going to teach Java, guys. Right? Even I'm a Java developer also, I'm not going to teach Java. You guys are not required to learn Java also. Just I'm trying to explain what is the jar file, what is the var file, guys. Maven is going to create as a package, guys. Maven is creating jar files and var files. First, I am trying to explain what is jar file and var file. That's why I am giving this story. See, guys, we need to compile Java source code into bytecode, guys. But we need to compile Java source code into bytecode using Java compiler. And here we will have Java C. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java C stands for Java compiler. Suppose I have a Java program test.java. I have a Java program test.java. See guys, let me write one small program guys. For understanding purpose, let me write one small program. Don't feel difficult guys. Just a simple hello world program I will write guys. Then you guys will get more clarity. See guys, here I am going to take one Java class name, class test. I am taking it here. Right, inside this Java class, I am going to write one main method guys. Public static void main. Here string array args I am taking it here. Right, inside this. Right, here I am going to take like this. Here I will take system.out.println. Here I will take hello friends. And welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. I'm taking like this. Simple guys. This is the simple hello world program guys. The simple hello world program I have written like this. Guys, now tell me, can you guys able to read this one or not? Is it readable format or not guys? Is it readable format or not? Guys, please respond. We can read it. Guys. Class test public static void main string array args system.out.println hello friends, welcome to DevOps classes. We can able to read it guys, but my system can't able to understand this, right? This is the high level language. This is the source code. Whatever we are writing, that is the source code. That system can't able to understand that source code. Then we need to convert the source code as the bytecode by using Java compiler. Let me save this program. Control S. Right now in D drive only, I'm going to store somewhere. Right. See here. Class name same we need to give. Test.java extension we need to give. Test.java extension we need to give for the Java files. Save it guys. See guys, it is saved guys. It is got saved. Now we need to go to that location where you have saved this program. I have saved this program in the D drive. I have saved this program. Let me open the command prompt in the D drive. Right, I have opened the command prompt in the D drive guys. Now what I need to do? Observe carefully guys. Instead of this D drive, I will take one separate folder guys. Then you guys will get more clarity. Here I am creating the folder like Maven practice. I am taking Maven practice. I am going to take it here. Already it's there. Okay, replace it guys. Maven practice. Maven practice. I have taken it here. Where is this test.java guys? Let me check where we have the test.java. Just now we have created, right? This is the folder. This is the Java program guys. Test.java. This is the Java file. Type as Java file. You can read it. Right, cut this one. Right, Maven practice. Open this. I'm going to keep inside this guys. I'm going to keep inside this file. Okay. Already here we have a. Okay. No problem. Let me delete this. Now what we have written, this is what we have written now, right? This is what we have written now. Very good. So now let me open the command prompt in this location. Let me open the command prompt in this location, guys. Maven practice. Here I am going to open the command prompt. Now see guys, observe very carefully. Observe carefully, guys. Here how many files we have? How many files we have, guys? Only one file is available. The type is Java file. Type is Java file. Inside this what we have? Source code. This is the code we have inside this file, guys. Class test public static void source code is available. Now I need to convert the source code as the bytecode by using Java compiler. Then what we need to do? We need to go to this location. And here I need to compile. If you want to compile the program, we need to use Java compiler, Java C. Java C, guys. Java C stands for Java compiler. And here, what is the program name? Test.java. Test.java. And here, Java compiler test.java. Now observe carefully. In this same location, you will get one more file with the same name but a dot class extension. You will get one more file, guys. In Maven practice, we have only one file with the name test. Now, whenever I have run this command, in this location, you are going to get one more file, that is the dot class file. Dot class file. Inside that dot class file, right, bytecode is available. Bytecode is available. If you have that bytecode file, then JVM will execute that bytecode file, guys. JVM will execute that bytecode file. Okay. Now let me run this program. Let me execute this command, guys. Enter. Happen. Enter, guys. Right. There was a small error. Let me correct that error, guys. Semicolon is not there. Right. In Java, every line should be ends with, every statement should be ends with semicolon. Save it, guys. Now go to here again. Go to here again. Now, guys, run this one once again. Compile this one. Java C test.java. Save it, right? Save this file, right? Save it. Close it. Okay, now we have saved this one. Enter. Oi. System.out.println, and we have given the semicolon. Why it is not coming here? Let me go to this file. Open it. Open it. It is not saved, right? Yes. Right now we have saved it. Okay, let me open this file once again and check it. The changes are available. Yeah, fine. It is changed, guys. Now go to here. Run it once again. Compile, guys. Java C test.java. Perfect. We don't have any error. Compilation is successful. Whenever you have compiled this file, go to that location and check it, guys. One more file is created. One more file is created with the dot class extension. Whenever you have compiled the Java program, it will create one more file with the dot class extension. File name is same, guys. File name is test only, but only extension got changed. Only extension got changed, guys. Only extension got changed here. You got dot class file, guys. Dot class file, you got it here. Inside the dot class file, what we have? Bytecode is available. Inside the dot Java file, we have the source code. Inside the dot class file, we have the bytecode. That bytecode system can able to understand. Bytecode system can able to understand. As a human beings, we can't able to understand the bytecode, guys. That is zeros and ones. That is zeros and ones, guys. Okay, let me open this dot class file, guys. Edit with Notepad++. Oh, see, guys, can you able to read this one? We can't. We don't know what is this language. Right? This is some system understandable format. It is created, guys. We can't able to read it, guys. We can't able to read this one. So like this, we need to compile the program, guys. We need to compile the program to create the system understandable format, guys. Okay. When we compile the Java code, it will create a dot class file. When we compile the Java code, it will create a dot class file. It will create a dot class file. Right, we need to execute the dot class file, guys. First, guys, observe carefully. We need to compile our Java file. Right, once compilation is successful, dot class file will be generated. We need to execute that dot class file. We need to run the dot class file. See, guys, Java. Right here, what is the file name? Test. Java test, guys. Like this, we need to execute. Here Java test I have given. Test means what it is taking? Is it taking dot Java file or dot class file? Dot class file it is taking, not dot Java file. And if you want to take the dot Java, you need to give dot Java extension also. Here it is going to take, right, dot class file only. Enter. Wow. Hello friends. Welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Are you getting the output or not? Are you getting the output or not? And here, which file we are executing? Dot Java file or dot class file? Dot class file we are executing. Inside the dot Java file, source code is available. That source code my system can't able to understand. That's why first I have compiled that source code as bytecode. Then we are executing that dot class file, guys. Then we are executing that dot class file. Once it is executed successfully, you will get the output like this. Okay. When we compile the Java code, it will create a dot class file. It will create a dot class file. We need to execute dot class file, guys. We need to execute dot class file to run the Java program. To run the Java program, we need to execute dot class file. How you will execute, guys? Example, Java test you need to give. Java test you need to give, guys. Here for compilation, how you will compile, guys? Here example, let me give Java C. Java C means Java compiler test.java. Test.java file we need to compile. Right, Java test.class file we need to execute. Okay. When we execute the Java program using Java command, here we are executing the Java program by using Java command, guys. When we are executing the Java program using Java command, JVM, we have the JVM, guys. JVM will start and it will execute the Java program. Who is going to execute the Java program? When you run the Java program by using Java command, who will execute that program? JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. That JVM is going to execute this Java file, guys. And here, when we run Java program by using Java command. When we run the Java program by using Java command, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, guys. JVM will start the execution of JVM will start and it will execute the Java program, guys. When we run the Java program by using Java command, JVM will start and it will execute the Java program. Guys. Here JVM stands for what, guys? Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Guys. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. While compiling, we need to give the extension also. Which file you are compiling? Test.java, we need to give the extension. But when we are executing, we no need to give the extension, guys. We no need to give the extension. Right? See, while we are creating the file, right, we are giving the .java extension explicitly for that file. That's why while compiling the program, you need to give .java also. But while executing, after compilation, dot class we haven't given, right? Dot class is generated, guys. It is generated. That's why while we are going to run the program, executing that program, dot class is not required to give. By default, it will take dot class only if you give class name. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, guys. Right? JVM will convert. Right, guys, by compilation, right, we have converted bytecode, guys. From the source code, we have converted the bytecode, guys. Now, what JVM will do? JVM will convert, again one more conversion. JVM will convert bytecode into machine understandable format, machine understandable code. Mission understandable code, guys. See guys, by using compiler, we are converting source code to bytecode. And by using JVM, we are converting bytecode to mission understandable code, guys. Right? Next, guys, Java project contains Java project contains several Java programs. Several Java programs are available in the Java project. Java programs means all are .java files only. All are .java files only. Right. So we need to compile. We need to compile. 1 minute, guys. Let me open it. Right. I'm the Java developer, right? In my system, hundreds of Java projects are there. Let me open one, guys. Go to IDE. Let me open the IDE. Right, guys. Yes. Spring Tool Suite is the IDE which I am using to create the Java projects. Spring Tool Suite IDE which I am using to create the Spring Boot applications, guys. And here I have so many projects. Let me open one project and I will show it, guys. Right. Meanwhile, let me 1 minute. This is not the workspace. Here, let me take this workspace. See guys, here we have written only one program, guys. Test.java. We have only one program. That's why manually we compiled that program. And we executed that program, guys. But in real time, when we are working with Java project, when we are creating the Java project, we will write several Java programs. Not one program or two program, guys. And how you can able to compile all those Java programs one by one, guys? Is it difficult or not? Here I have written only one Java program, that is test.java. That's why I have compiled that program and I have executed that program. But in real time, when we are working with Java projects, there several Java files are available. All those Java files you need to convert into bytecode. Again, you need to execute all those Java files manually. If you want to do that activity, is it difficult or not? Yes, it is very, very difficult. It is very, very difficult, guys. So that's why here, what I am going to do, observe carefully, guys. Let me take this one, guys. Let me close all these things. See, guys, here I have the product data service. This is one microservice, guys. Inside this product data service, if you go to src main Java, oh, see, guys, these are all the packages, guys. Inside these things, we have the Java classes. Application.java, application, right? Servlet initializer.java, context.java. Next here, if you go to another package, here Kafka event channels.java. Next here we have right, package info.java, product controller.java, product hierarchy controller.java. Next, if you go to here, right, product data DAO.java, product data DAO IMPL.java. Right. So next, if you go to this package, here we have right activation rule entity, right component entity, EMC product hierarchy. See, guys, how many Java files are available? Right, not one, guys. Oh, see, guys, here so many files are available. Hundreds of Java files are available at here. If you want to compile one by one, is it difficult or not? See, guys, in my one microservice, to develop one microservice, how many Java files I have written here? See, this microservice is developed by myself only. See how many Java files I have created to develop only one microservice, guys. Is it possible to compile all these files manually? Java C file name. Is it possible to do manually, guys? It is very difficult. To do manually. Guys. That's why what we are doing. Going to do, guys. We need to, right, Java project contains several Java programs. we need to compile. Right, project source code. We need to compile project source code into bytecode. Source code into bytecode. Bytecode, guys. Source code means you will get everything, guys. Inside this, whatever you have, everything you will be you need to tell as source code only. We need to convert all these things as bytecode. Manually, is it possible? Manually, is it possible, guys? It is not possible. Converting source code into bytecode, it is not at all possible, guys. Right, when we will compile the project source code, right, we will get dot class files, guys. Right, we will get dot class files. For all these things, you will get dot class files, guys. And here approximately 100 Java classes are there. For all those things, you will get the dot class files again when you compile that. See, when we compile the project, when we compile the project source code, we will get dot class files. We will get dot class files, guys. Now to deploy, see, guys, oh, these many number of dot class files are there. How you can deploy all these things, guys? 100 dot class files are there. How you can able to deploy all these 100 classes, guys? It is difficult. That's why to deploy Java project, we will package all dot class files as a jar or var. Now you guys, right, we came to the conclusion, guys. See, guys, right, in a project we have the hundreds of Java files. Right, we need to convert all those hundreds of Java files to bytecode. Right, and again to deploy all these files manually, it is not possible, guys. What we are doing, all hundreds of files we are going to package, we are going to bundle as a jar or var, guys, as a jar or var file. Right, so jar is nothing but what, guys? Jar is nothing but what? Jar stands for Java archive. Var stands for web archive. Jar stands for Java archive. Var stands for web archive. See, guys, when we will use jar file, when we will use var file. Right, standalone Java project will be packaged as a jar file, guys. Standalone Java project will be packaged as a jar file. Web application will be packaged as a var file. Guys. Standalone Java project will be packaged as a jar file. Web application will be packaged as a var file. Understood, guys? Is it clear? Now, right, to package like jar or var, we are going to use Maven, guys. Right? What Maven will do? Right, if you want to do all these activity, compilation, right, packaging, if you want to do all these things manually, it is very, very difficult. That's why we are going to use Maven as a build tool. Maven will take that Java project and Maven will build that code. Whenever it is building means what? Compiling, converting. Maven will convert the source code into bytecode and Maven will create as jar file or var file. Right? If you don't have the Maven, what you need to do? Manually, one by one, you need to do Java C file name, Java C file name, Java C file name. Again, Java file name, Java file name. Again, you need to do like that, guys. Right? Hundreds of files manually. It is very difficult, guys. That's why we are using some build tools. Here, Maven is one build tool. Maven will take that Java project and it will convert source code to bytecode and it will create as a package. It will create as a jar file or var file. The story, guys. it clear, guys? What is Maven? Clear? Why we are using Maven? If you want to do these many number of files, first file Java C, Java C test.java. Right, once conversion is completed, again we need to take Java test. Like this. Here, how many files are there in my project? How many files are there in my project? 100 files are there. 100 files. Right, you need to run these two commands. Means 200 times you need to run the commands. Is it difficult or easy? Suppose, okay, tomorrow 1000 files are there. What you will do? 2000 times you will run the commands. It is very difficult. That's why we are using some build tools. Maven will take care of that conversions, and Maven only will package as a jar file or var file. Is that clear, guys? Why we are going to discuss Maven? Is it clear? Yes. Very good. Just to have a look into these notes, guys. Just to have a look into these notes. See, guys, Java is a programming language. Guys, you guys are not required to learn Java. Right? Why we need to use Maven? To explain that, I have given this story, guys. Java is a programming language. It is developed by Sun Microsystems. And earlier Sun Microsystem only maintained this Java. Later, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem, guys. Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystems. Now, Java is under license of Oracle company, guys. Java is a high-level programming language, not only Java. If you go to any programming language, all are high-level only. Java program files have .java as extension. See like this, guys, sample.java, test.java, like this, guys. We can't execute, guys. We can't execute .java files directly. First, what you need to do? You need to convert. You need to convert into .class files. You need to convert into .class files, guys. See, guys, let me draw the diagram. You guys will get the clarity. See, guys, this is my Java file. This is my This is my .java file, guys. Right. This is my Java code. Example test.java. I'm taking test.java. I'm taking it here. Inside this, what we have, guys? Inside this, source code is available. Inside this, source code is available. Source code is available, guys. Now what I need to do? I need to convert the source code as the byte code. I need to convert the source code as the byte code. Yes, this is the converting, guys. Once you convert it as the byte code, here what you will get, guys? Here we will get the .class file. Here we will get the .class file, test.class, test.class, guys. Inside this .class file, what we will have? Here we will have the byte code. Here we will have the byte code, guys. Inside this, we will have the byte code at here. Byte code at here, guys. Now here, how you will do this, guys? By using Java compiler. Java compiler is available. Java compiler will compile this one, guys. Java C is nothing but Java compiler. Once bytecode is available, next what it will happen? We need to run this command. We need to run Java command, guys. Whenever you have run the Java command, what it will happen? What it will happen, guys? JVM will start. JVM will start, guys. Whenever you have run the Java command, JVM will start, and JVM will start and it will execute the it will execute the .class file, guys. Whenever JVM is executed, what it will happen? This bytecode will be converted into mission understandable language. Mission understandable format. Mission understandable format, guys. Mission understandable format. Right, guys. Here who will convert this? JVM, guys. Here JVM will do this activity. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Finally, here you will get the output, guys. Finally, here you will get the output. Output we will get it here, guys. Okay, guys, this is the CS Java code. Right here, whenever you compile that code, bytecode is generated. Right, whenever you run the Java command, JVM will start and JVM will execute this dot class file. Whenever JVM executed this file, what it will happen? Mission understandable code will be generated. Because of that, only we are getting the output at here. See, guys, if you have only one file, we can do manually, guys. We can do manually. Here, we need to run this command. Here, we need to run Java C test.java Java C test.java. Here we need to run the command Java test. We need to run Java test. We need to run. If we have one or two files, we can do manually, guys. But inside the project, we will have hundreds of files, hundreds of Java files. All hundreds of files we need to convert into bytecode. All hundreds of files we need to execute. It is very difficult to do manually. That's why we are going to use Maven as build tool. Maven will convert the source code to bytecode and Maven will create the packages, guys. Maven will create as jar file or var file to deploy into the servers. That's good, guys. So this is what I have written at here. This is what I have written at here, guys. Okay. Now our actual discussion will start about the Maven. Now our actual discussion will start about the Maven, guys. Are you guys are clear, guys? Why we are going with this build tool?
Yes, sir.
Why we are going with this build tool? You guys are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, respond. Guys, don't worry. I'm not going to teach Java. Right? If I start teaching Java, right, only core Java, I will teach 3 months. In that much in-depth subject is there in Java. Very good. Very good, guys. Fine, guys. I need to go to one function, guys. Friends are waiting it outside. For today, I'm stopping here, guys. For today, I'm stopping here. Tomorrow, we will start our discussion about Maven, guys. Tomorrow, we will start what is Maven, what is a repository, what is pom.xml file, what is the dependencies, how to take the dependencies, how dependencies will be downloaded from the central repository, how dependencies will be downloaded from the remote repository, what is local repositories, how to create the standalone project, how to create the web application by using Maven, right? So next, guys, how to, right, what are the Maven goals are available, Maven clean, Maven package, Maven compile, Maven deploy, like that several goals are available, everything, how to install the Maven, everything we will discuss in detail, guys. Everything we'll discuss in detail. Okay? Fine, guys. Just for today, I'm stopping, guys. Tomorrow onwards, we will spend more time. I need to go out, guys. I need to go outside. Right? So today, from tomorrow onwards, we will spend more time, guys. Okay? Fine, guys. Thanks, guys. Right? From tomorrow onwards, we will start our actual discussion about the Maven, guys. Today, just I have given the overview of the Java, guys. Why we need to go for Maven, right? So that's why just I have given overview of the Java. From tomorrow onwards, our actual content I will start, guys, about the Maven. Fine, guys. Thank you, guys. Good night. Tomorrow we will connect. Thank you.